Just a quick tutorial on how to do a taper. So I have my initial guideline, and with my clipper I have it closed and I run across the initial guideline about a centimeter up. Once I do that, I open my clipper about halfway through and I run across it again. Once I do that, I open it all the way and do the exact same steps as you can see here. And I'm going a little bit more detailed just to make sure I get every single hair. Once I make sure I got every single hair, I grab my half guard, which I'm about to do right now, and run the exact same steps as you can see here. All the way closed, and then open it halfway and go across the guideline right there, and open it halfway, and then finally open it all the way up. After this is the most crucial part, which is clipper over comb, which if you don't know how to do it, please let me know in the comments, and I can have videos to teach you how to do clipper over comb, because you're going to need to learn how to do clipper over comb on almost every haircut. And sorry if you can't see me doing the steps right here, I'm kind of blocking the camera, but you'll be able to see me do it on the left side. And this is my first time doing a tutorial, so I'm going to make a couple mistakes. So let me know in the comments if there's anything I can do to improve my videos, because I know I made a couple mistakes here. I also grab my one guard and just go with it at an angle, just to make sure I got every little hair and make sure I erase the line. But now I'm here going on the left side, and as you can see, clipper over comb. And I don't go too fast. I take my time with it. Don't rush into it. You don't wanna go in too far and mess up and then have to take the taper a little bit higher. Just take your time. And like I said, if you guys need any help on how to do clipper over comb, just let me know in the comments, and I'll try to make future videos about it. As well as if you guys let me know if I need to improve in any aspect of the video, because this is my first couple tutorial videos on how to do any type of haircut, so I know I'm gonna mess up or forget it. Steps. Here I'm just doing little detail work. Once I'm done with that, I grab my trimmer and make sure I make that line as straight as I can to make the taper look crispy as possible, as you can see right here. And I don't show it in the video, but I should have actually done it. After I do this step on the left side and the right side, I grab my razor just to make it extra crispy, just to finish the back taper. But I didn't do it here just because I had to finish the haircut, and I usually do the razor at the end of all haircuts. And please like and subscribe, and let me know and critique me in any way possible. I know I messed up in any sort of way, or if I didn't explain the video as good as possible.